Alright, time for our first full dashboard project in Excel. Here's the situation. You're a research analyst and resident Excel guru at Maven Careers, a nonprofit organization helping high school seniors find career paths. And your boss needs a dashboard built for an upcoming round of school visits, and it looks like she needs your help. So here's the full email from 𝗙𝗎𝗍, who is the head of research. I just received the attached labor statistics data from 2017 to 2020, just in time for our next round of high school visits. Can you please create a dashboard that seniors can use to explore wage and employment trends and compare them across industries? P.S. A map showing the differences across states would help a lot. Alright, so it sounds like we've got the following key objectives. Number 1, to define the purpose for the dashboard. And remember, this always needs to be the first step whenever we build a dashboard. Number 2, to choose the key metrics and interactivity, to prepare the data for visualization in Excel, to create the primary and supporting visuals, to design the final dashboard layout, and finally to configure the workbook for viewers so that they can't really move anything around. And before we actually go ahead and get started, let's just take a quick look at the data 𝗙𝗎 sent us. We've got US labor statistics by industry and state from 2017 to 2020 with a total of 1,918 records. We've got 3 dimensions, so year, industry, and state, and 3 measures, establishments, employees, and average annual wage. And finally, to actually build this dashboard in Excel, we'll be using the following concepts: statistical and lookup formulas, inserting and formatting custom charts, dynamically highlighting series, creating new data with data types, adding form controls, and protecting workbooks and worksheets. So without further ado, let's get the fun started.